Hello and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have another Bella Art Diamond sneak peek and I'm really excited about this one. This one is a smaller one than the other two that I've already shown as sneak peeks, but I think this will be a very quick finish and it is absolutely a cutie. So let's get started. First of all, I want to show you guys the sticker sheet here in the thumbnail. Look how cute that she is. And I'm really curious to see how well this books sign is going to show up. So I am looking forward to doing this one. It is called Bookshop and it's licensed from Mary Malhu Sojo. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but you can see the name there. And it is a 35 centimeter by 49 centimeter. It is in squares. There are 46 colors and there are pre-cut stickers for us if we want to use those. I will also cut this thumbnail and put it in my logbook. Shows Bella Art Day Nicole here if you would like additional accessories to use with your kits. And this one's going to have some more pinks to it. I think the other two that I unboxed also had quite a bit of pinks. I love pink, so I am not upset with that at all. If you don't know already, Bella Art Diamonds is going to have a launch of 66 new kits, and that will be on January the 6th. So mark your calendars for that. She's going to have some that are both in round and in square, and you'll have an option, and then there's going to be others that do not have an option. They are either in round or square, but you can take a look at that. In every kit we do get an upgraded tray here, and I really like how heavy this is. It's not like your typical trays that you get in other kits. We also get your standard toolkit. Everything out here. We do get some washi. The washi's random, so it just depends on what washi that you get in yours. We get a squishy and a pin, and you also receive a couple of multi-placers if you like to use the plastic multi-placing. You don't have to multi-place, you can simply single place. There's also a two-placer at the other end of this pin. We do receive some blue wax. If you use the wax that come in this kit, or any kit for that matter, make sure you do take the plastic off so that you can load your pen with the wax. Because this is a square painting, we also receive tweezers. These are very pointy, very stabby. So make sure you do keep the covering on. And then we have the drills. So let's flip this over. I want to show you the canvas before I show the drills. But look how cute she is. I love books. I love pink. I love turquoise. I mean, what could actually be better? And the background is going to be a lot of color blocking, so that won't take very long. What I like to do, what I've been doing lately, and it's kind of worked out for me, is that there's a lot of color blocking on the background. I'll do the background first, and then I'll go back and do the centerpiece or the main piece of the painting. And so that's going to be the little witch. I'm assuming that she is a witch because this is a witch's hat. So I don't know if I want to start on this now or just put this up until September and start working on my fall pieces September, October, and bring this one out. I'm kind of leaning towards putting it up and starting on it in September, but it's really cute and I kind of want to start on it now. I do want to work on at least one small piece a month, so this one may come out before then. Not exactly sure, but if you stay tuned to my channel, you'll be able to see. On the left side, we do have the table with the number, the code, and then also the DMC number. And then if you like to flip yours around, this one on the right hand side is upside down. So if you do like to flip it and work on the top and you're working on it upside down, then you can easily flip this. You can see your table and you don't have to keep trying to flip back and forth, which I really like that idea. But here is the full canvas. All of the symbols are very clear, and we don't have any symbols that will give me problems that I can tell for now. Numbers 1 through 8 is your numbers 1 through 8, so you don't have to worry about it being in a weird or awkward number sequence, such as number 5 could be number 1 kind of thing, and that always throws me off. And we do not have any B's, letter B, that I can see in here. 8s and B's always throw me off as well. There are just a few letters, mostly symbols in here. I don't see any symbols that resemble one another. There are 2 symbols on here. It's number 30 and 31. Now these are really dark on the actual table. That could be a B, and that could cause a slight problem with the A, with the 8. If you look at the 8 though, the 8 is in white, and then if you look over here, down the bottom here, this B is all dark. So that is going to be very helpful. And I think they're different colors too, so that's going to kind of be obvious when you're working on it. This one has 5 ABs. That's a lot for such a small canvas. So let's look at the ABs and let's see where the ABs are going to go in this kit. Okay, one of the drills I do want to show you, I don't usually go through all the drills, just the ABs, but we do have at least 2 bags, I think there's 3 bags of this 818. And so I was looking, I assumed that it was the background, and that assumption is correct. So all of these will be the background here. So at least it's not it's light color, but it's not horribly light. It is not white. So that's going to help, because my multi-placing is pretty good, but sometimes you can see it if it's not 100% accurate on multi-placing if you use light colors. But I think this will be just fine. So the ABs, we have just a handful of these 5 ABs, but for such a small canvas, I don't really think you need a lot of ABs, but I may even add a few more. I don't know once I get looking at this. But this one is 211 AB. It is a lavender, and that is going to be around her scarf here on both sides. And then we have number 44, and that is going to be, I am looking, that one's going to be around her hat area, up at the top there, also in the books. And then we have number 43, and that's going to be in her hair. We have, which is this. We have number 45, and that is looks like a square with a line drawn through it. That's going to be on the book section there. And then this one, number 46, I believe, I was hoping that was going to be in her glasses, because that would be really cute if it was in her glasses. Also, number 44, this is in her glasses here. And then number 46, that is a pound sign, and that's going to be inside her hat here. And then also looks like a couple that are on this side over here. So not very many, but we have 5 different colors. I think that's going to work out perfect. It's just going to be on her, won't be in her skin tone. I don't see anything that's in her dress. I might bling up like this section here. I may end up doing that, or I may bling up these flowers even, just to give them a little bit of a pop. And then the books, I won't bling that up, because that may distort it from being able to see what it says, but I just love this one, and I love to read. We have bookshelves at our house and my office, as well as in my daughter's room, and also what she now calls her office. And I may put this in one of those, but it's just really cute. I think it's going to be very quick. Shouldn't take that long to diamond paint this. So that's also a win-win. I am trying to work on some smaller paintings in between some of the larger ones that I plan on doing. So this will be a perfect size for me. I will put the link underneath the description after the 66 of the new kits go live. Until then, I will just have a link going into Bella Art Diamond's homepage, and so you can see if there's anything there that you might like. And also I will put a link underneath for Bella Art Day Nicole, which are also the owners of Bella Art Diamonds, and you can look for accessories such as a new cover minder perhaps, or maybe you want to upgrade to a larger tray. And if you look at the first sneak peek that I did of Carousel Pony, that one included some accessories that Bella Art Diamond sent me to show with that kit. So I'll also include that below so you can go and look at those accessories as well. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you would click on that like button, I would greatly appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, I would love for you to do so, because I'm going to be working on one of these 3 kits very soon that I have unboxed for Bella Art. Thanks so much to Jamie and Nicole for sending this to me. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.